Greetings and welcome to Pinball Help. Mike here. Today I'm going to do a short video on something that we just recently discovered with this Stern Godzilla pinball machine. This is the Godzilla Pro, and it's been playing very well, but we discovered a rather somewhat serious little glitch with the mechanical hardware design, and I don't know if this is happening to anybody else, but I thought I might document it. We got the ball stuck on the habit trail coming out of the building. And let me show you what the cause of that is. Let's first talk about this. So basically the ball goes up the left ramp like that and comes out here and comes out through that. On this side of the ramp, the bottom wires of the habit trail are tucked underneath the assembly. On this one, they basically terminate right here. Let me see if I can get a little zoom in on that so you can see what we're talking about. The ball will go up the right ramp and it'll go through the building and it will exit the building coming out here. But if it's not fast enough, the ball will sit right there. The two bottom parts of the habit trail are sticking up, and they literally, ball goes this way, look, it'll sit there. And you could shake the machine quite a bit and it's not going anywhere. We had to literally just manhandle the machine, and he got stuck. So seems to me a quick mod for this is to bend these little tendrils, the little wires, bend them down. So I'm going to take a pair of pliers and I'm going to try to bend those down a little bit so that they're not poking up. So I'll just take this and grab one end and just see if I can do this without breaking anything. Let's see, the best way to get a hold of this probably would be to take this thing off, but I think just a little, yeah, see, just, and then they'll do that with this side too. Just bending it just ever so slightly down so it's not sticking up like that. Still a little bit more. Make sure this on the end. Maybe just a little tiny bit more. Okay. Yeah, look at that now. So let's zoom in on that. And you can see the ball, this is no longer sticking up there. So it should roll nice and smoothly. Yeah, that's what we want. So if you've got a Stern Godzilla Pro, check those two ends of the habit trail here and make sure that they're bent slightly down so they're not sticking up, and this will probably keep the ball from getting caught on those, and your game should be back to nice and solid. This happened during an unfortunate time when somebody was playing and they actually had a score enough to hit Grand Champion, and they couldn't get the ball loose, so they started shaking the game and that didn't work. So he leaned down to pick it up and he accidentally hit the start button and started another game, which of course wiped out the high score. So that was another unfortunate series of events. Sorry, Gene, but there's no guarantee that you actually scored that much anymore. There's no evidence anymore. So that's the end of that. I still have Grand Champion for now, but this is probably going to change real soon. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to visit PinballHelp and hit that subscribe, like button, and all that kind of crap. And until next time, thanks for watching.